Welcome to the perfect beginner's fitness routine, designed to help you kickstart your fitness journey and achieve your health and strength goals. Whether you're new to exercise or getting back into a routine after a break, this video will guide you through a series of exercises that are perfect for beginners. Let's dive right in. Begin by warming up your body with some dynamic stretches. Start with gentle neck rotations, shoulder rolls, arm swings, and torso twists. Follow this with some light jogging in place or marching on the spot for about 3 to 5 minutes to increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Next, we'll focus on cardiovascular exercises to get your heart pumping and improve your endurance. Choose from activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as aerobic exercise, offers numerous benefits for overall health and well-being. Here are some of the key benefits of incorporating cardiovascular exercise into your fitness routine. Improved heart health. It strengthens your heart muscles, enabling your heart to pump blood more efficiently. Improved circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, and coronary artery disease. Increased stamina and endurance. Regular cardiovascular exercise helps improve your lung capacity and oxygen uptake, allowing your body to efficiently deliver oxygen to your muscles. This leads to increased stamina and endurance. Weight management. Cardio workouts are an effective way to burn calories and promote weight loss. Engaging in activities like running, cycling, or swimming can help create a calorie deficit, which contributes to shedding excess body fat and maintaining a healthy weight. Enhanced mood and mental well-being. Cardio exercises release endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which help alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. Regular aerobic exercise is associated with improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, and a more positive outlook on life. Increased energy levels. Engaging in cardiovascular exercise on a consistent basis boosts your overall energy levels. It enhances the efficiency of your cardiovascular system, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles more effectively. As a result, you'll experience increased vitality and a reduced tendency for fatigue. Better sleep. Regular cardio workouts can promote better sleep patterns and improve the quality of your sleep. The physical exertion helps your body relax and reduces stress hormones, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Cardiovascular exercise is associated with a decreased risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and metabolic syndrome. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, improves insulin sensitivity, and positively affects various metabolic markers. Improved brain function. Aerobic exercise has been linked to enhanced cognitive function, memory, and focus. It increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and improving overall brain health. Stronger immune system. Regular cardio exercise can boost your immune system by improving circulation and enhancing the production of antibodies and white blood cells. This can help reduce the frequency and severity of common illnesses. Longevity and quality of life. Engaging in cardiovascular exercise has been associated with a longer life expectancy and a higher quality of life. It helps maintain physical independence, mobility, and overall vitality as you age. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to avoid overexertion and ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of continuous movement, gradually increasing the intensity as you progress. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Strength training is crucial for building lean muscle, increasing metabolism, and improving overall strength. Begin with bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Perform each exercise for 10 to 12 repetitions and aim for 2 to 3 sets. As you gain confidence, you can gradually introduce light dumbbells or resistance bands to challenge yourself further. Focus on maintaining proper form and engaging the correct muscles with each repetition. Strength training, also known as resistance training or weightlifting, offers a wide range of benefits for individuals of all fitness levels. Here are some key benefits of incorporating strength training into your fitness routine. Increased muscle strength and tone. Strength training exercises target specific muscle groups, leading to increased muscle strength and improved muscle definition. As you progressively overload your muscles with resistance, they adapt and grow stronger, allowing you to perform daily tasks with ease and confidence. Enhanced bone health. Strength training is beneficial for bone health, as it stimulates the production of new bone tissue and helps prevent age-related bone loss. It can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in postmenopausal women. Improved metabolism. Building and maintaining lean muscle mass through strength training can boost your metabolism. Muscles are more metabolically active than fat, meaning they burn more calories at rest. Regular strength training can help increase your basal metabolic rate, leading to improved calorie burning and weight management. Increased functional strength. Strength training exercises mimic everyday movements and activities, such as lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or carrying heavy objects. By strengthening the muscles involved in these movements, you improve your overall functional strength and make daily tasks easier and safer. Enhanced body composition. Strength training can help reshape your body by reducing body fat and increasing muscle mass. While the number on the scale may not change significantly, you may notice a decrease in body fat percentage and a more toned and sculpted appearance. Improved joint health and stability. Strength training exercises strengthen the muscles around your joints, providing better support and stability. This can help reduce the risk of joint injuries and improve overall joint health, especially in areas prone to issues such as the knees, hips, and shoulders. Increased bone density. Along with improving bone health, strength training can increase bone density. This is particularly important for individuals at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to maintain optimal bone strength as they age. Enhanced sports performance. Strength training can improve athletic performance by enhancing power, speed, agility, and endurance. It can help athletes generate more force, increase their jumping ability, and improve overall athletic performance in a variety of sports and activities. Enhanced mental well-being. Strength training has numerous mental health benefits. It can boost self-confidence and self-esteem as you see improvements in your physical capabilities. The release of endorphins during exercise can also improve mood, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and enhance overall mental well-being. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular strength training has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and positively influence various metabolic markers. Remember to start with proper form and technique, gradually increase the intensity and weight, and allow for adequate rest and recovery between sessions. If you're new to strength training, consider working with a qualified fitness professional to ensure proper guidance and reduce the risk of injury. There are several types of strength training techniques, each with its own unique benefits and training methods. Here are some common types of strength training. Bodyweight training. This type of strength training uses the resistance of your body weight to build strength and muscle. Exercises include push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and burpees. Bodyweight training is versatile, can be done anywhere, and is suitable for all fitness levels. Free weights. Free weight training involves using equipment such as dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells to provide resistance. Exercises like bicep curls, bench presses, deadlifts, and squats are commonly performed using free weights. Free weight training allows for a wide range of motion and engages stabilizing muscles. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are elastic bands that provide resistance when stretched. They come in different levels of resistance and can be used for exercises targeting various muscle groups. Resistance band training is portable, versatile, and suitable for all fitness levels. Weight machines. Weight machines are commonly found in gyms and fitness centers. They have adjustable weight stacks or plates and guide rails that help maintain proper form during exercises. Weight machines are beneficial for beginners or individuals recovering from injuries, as they provide stability and support. Functional training. Functional training focuses on movements that mimic activities performed in daily life or sport-specific movements. It improves overall strength, stability, balance, and coordination. Exercises may involve using kettlebells, medicine balls, stability balls, or performing multi-joint movements like squats, lunges, and overhead presses. Powerlifting. Powerlifting is a strength sport that involves three main lifts: squat, bench press, and deadlift. It emphasizes maximal strength and performance. Powerlifting training involves lifting heavy weights for low repetitions and is commonly practiced by competitive powerlifters. Olympic weightlifting. Olympic weightlifting is another strength sport that includes two lifts, the snatch and the clean and jerk. It focuses on explosive power, speed, and technique. Olympic weightlifting training requires specialized instruction due to the technical nature of the lifts. Circuit training. Circuit training combines strength training exercises with cardiovascular exercises, creating a high-intensity workout. It involves performing a series of exercises back-to-back, targeting different muscle groups or movements. Circuit training is efficient, time-saving, and offers both strength and cardiovascular benefits. CrossFit. CrossFit is a high-intensity strength and conditioning program that incorporates various elements of strength training, cardio, and functional movements. Workouts are often intense and constantly varied, challenging participants both physically and mentally. It's important to choose a type of strength training that aligns with your goals, preferences, and fitness level. Consulting with a qualified fitness professional can help you determine the best approach and ensure proper form and technique to maximize your results and minimize the risk of injury. Flexibility exercises are crucial for maintaining joint mobility, improving posture, and preventing injuries. We'll incorporate stretches that target major muscle groups, such as your calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, back, and shoulders. Holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds allows your muscles to lengthen gradually. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Yoga poses, such as downward facing dog, child's pose, and seated forward folds, can also be included to enhance flexibility and provide a sense of calm and relaxation. There are several types of flexibility exercises that target different muscle groups and improve overall flexibility. Here are some common types of flexibility exercises. Static stretching. This involves holding a stretch in a stationary position for a specific duration, typically between 15 and 60 seconds. Examples include hamstring stretches, quad stretches, and shoulder stretches. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body through a full range of motion in a controlled manner. It helps warm up the muscles and prepares them for physical activity. Examples include arm circles, walking lunges, and leg swings. Passive stretching. Passive stretching involves using an external force, such as a partner, gravity, or props, to deepen a stretch. It allows for a greater range of motion than what you can achieve on your own. Examples include assisted hamstring stretches, wall stretches, and using straps or bands for added support. Active stretching. Active stretching involves using your own muscle contractions to stretch a particular muscle group. It can be done without external assistance or props. Examples include yoga poses, active hamstring stretches, and active shoulder stretches. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, PNF, stretching. PNF stretching involves a combination of passive stretching and isometric contractions. It is often done with a partner and can help improve flexibility through muscle relaxation and contraction cycles. Examples include the hold relax technique and contract relax technique. Yoga and Pilates. Both yoga and Pilates incorporate a wide range of stretching exercises that focus on flexibility, strength, and balance. They often combine static and dynamic stretching movements with controlled breathing and mindful awareness. Mobility exercises. Mobility exercises aim to improve joint mobility and range of motion by focusing on specific joint movements. These exercises can include joint circles, wrist circles, and ankle rotations. Foam rolling. While not strictly a flexibility exercise, foam rolling is a self-myofascial release technique that can help improve flexibility by releasing muscle tension and adhesions. It involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to specific muscle groups. Remember to warm up your body before performing any flexibility exercises and to stretch within your comfort zone, avoiding any pain or excessive discomfort. It's always advisable to consult with a fitness professional or physical therapist to ensure proper technique and to tailor flexibility exercises to your specific needs and limitations. To conclude your workout, it's essential to cool down your body and gradually bring your heart rate back to its resting state. We'll engage in light movements like walking or marching in place. These low-impact exercises will help your body transition from a high-intensity state to a more relaxed state. Following this, we'll perform a few minutes of static stretching, focusing on the muscles you work during the session. It's the perfect time to appreciate the effort you put in and let your body relax and recover. Deep breathing exercises or a brief meditation can be incorporated to promote relaxation and reduce post-workout stress. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Share this video with friends or family members who could benefit from starting their fitness journey. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and lead happier, healthier lives. Thank you for watching. Congratulations on completing your beginner's fitness routine. Remember to start at your own pace, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your workouts as your fitness level improves. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 3 workouts per week. Stay motivated, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier and stronger you.